So the VIOFO Dashcam's discount festival is currently going on, and quite a many of you have already purchased your favorite VIOFO dash cameras. You guys are simply amazing because you saved yourself a lot of money and you even got some amazing dash cameras for your car. But quite a many of you have been still wondering, should you go ahead with the purchase or not, and you're like hanging in between there trying to decide should you get this purchase done right away. Well, in this video I'm here to clarify certain points which probably I might have missed in the previous video. Starting off with the fact that the first point is that once you pay with UPI for any particular order, the discount is not upfront, which means the discount is not applied straight away when you pay by UPI. All you get is the direct discount that has been already provided on the website. But once you pay the full amount, you will get a refund of the extra discounted price, which means in case if you buy a VIOFO A329 dual channel, which generally trends at 40,000 rupees, the current discounted price on the website is 38,000 rupees, which is 2,000 less than the normal price. So if you are paying via UPI, you will be paying 38,000 rupees. But once the order is placed and it's confirmed by VIOFO, you're gonna get a refund of 2,000 rupees within 3 to 4 business working days, which implies you end up paying 36,000 rupees instead of the 38,000 rupees. So this is how the prepay by UPI works. You don't get a direct upfront discount while paying in the website. You have to pay the discounted price, and on top of it, you're gonna get a refund of the extra amount in about 3 to 4 business working days. And some of you might wonder, why this difference? Why the direct amount is like different and why the discounted amount after paying by UPI is different? The answer is pretty simple. Now, whenever you pay for any transaction using either credit card, debit card or net banking, there is always a commission charge which VIOFO has to pay to the service provider which provides the transaction service. So in the case of a UPI transaction, there is no extra charge or extra commission levied on VIOFO. So what VIOFO is basically doing is, instead of paying commission to the service provider, the same amount is being given as a discount to you, that is the customer. So this is a very thoughtful thing because VIOFO could have avoided this and they could have kept the money for themselves, but they're ready to give a discount to the people who go ahead and prepay by a UPI. So this is a super thoughtful and a super convenient way of getting refund, of getting some superb discounts. That being said, the current biggest deals on the VIOFO website are the VIOFO A229 plus triple channel variant and the VIOFO A329 dual channel variant. And both of them kind of have the highest amount of discount, which means 4,000 rupee discount straight up on the MRP price. Whereas the VIOFO A229 plus trends at about 30,000 rupees, the triple channel variant, you can get it at 26,000 rupees by paying, or should I say prepaying via UPI. And in case of the VIOFO A329, instead of 40, you're going to get it at 36,000. Now do note that while paying via UPI, you will be paying 28,000 for the VIOFO A229 plus triple channel, and the 2,000 extra discount will be refunded to you back in about 3 to 4 days. And for VIOFO A329, you will not be paying 36, you will be paying 38,000, and the 2,000 extra which you paid will be refunded back to you within 3 to 4 working days. That's how prepay by UPI discount really works. And this is not where the video ends or the good news ends. If you do buy a triple channel dashcam, you're gonna get a free CPL filter for both front and the rear cameras, and also probably even a hardwire kit in case of the VIOFO A329 dual channel. Now that's a lot of saving because you're getting extra additional accessories. In case of CPL filters, about 3 to 4,000 rupees itself goes away for the CPL filter, and for the hardwire kit itself, it costs about 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. So basically, if you do get CPL filters and hardwire kits, you're gonna get extra accessories worth 5 to 6,000 rupees along with the camera, along with the discount applied. This is a biggest deal. The way you look at it has to be different. Now, some of you may be saying that the discounts are not good enough. Well, I think you should reconsider your thought process because VIOFO cameras are very premium and they offer top-notch features. That being said, if you're expecting a 40,000 and a 35,000 premium dash camera to come down to 5,000 or 10,000, that's not how discounts work. You cannot expect such a premium dash camera to drop down 50% by price. That's really not how things work. You need to be very practical in this approach. So this is why I am making this separate video, to make you guys understand how valuable these discounts are. I mean, of course, by prepaying via UPI, you're gonna get 2000 to 4000 rupee discount on the MRP, and with additional accessories which you're gonna get for free. You're not gonna have to pay a single money. Those are extra savings worth 3 to 4000 themselves. So that adds together to 7 to 8000 rupee worth of savings. Can you get a better deal? So this is your best and the only chance to get your favorite top-notch VIOFO cameras. And if you want to get to know which models are under the discounted price and what's the kind of discount, you can just check out my previous video. I'll leave a link right here on top and even in the description of this video as well. And of course, I'll be providing you the purchase links for all the discounted dash cams right down below in the description of this video. So just click on the particular dash camera which you want to buy, go ahead and buy it and pay via UPI. And do remember, again, the discount is not upfront. You have to pay the direct discount amount first, and you will get a refund in about 3 to 4 working days. So I hope this video has cleared lots of doubts and lots of queries many of you were asking me in my previous video. And in spite of this video, if you still have any questions, you're welcome to write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, if you have purchased a VIOFO dash camera in this sale and saved yourself a lot of money and you were planning to get a VIOFO camera in the future, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy a VIOFO camera with some superb discounts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.